Thutha wa ndumiriri kuma ruhonge-ini rwa ugitiri rwa urugamiriri wa iharo cia ndege bururi-ini kuga ati itoi cia Al-Shabab ni cirabanga gutharikira iharo ngurani cia ndege guku bururi-ini, urugamiriri wa iharo icio riu ni wiyumiritie kuga ugitiri ni mugacirithie kuigana.
We therefore wish to assure our citizens, the traveling public, all airport users that Kenyan airports and designated airstrips are not under any imminent attack.
Ruhonge rou ningi rugite riboti iyo ndiagirire kurekererio kuri muingi itathuthuritio na ati abitha uria wamirekereirie ekiri uguo mugaru na mutaratara.
Unfortunately, the information was released prematurely without awaiting the due verification by threat assessment experts from the National Aviation Security Committee, we normally call it NAVSEC, and other security agencies.
Niruritie a Kenya na ahuthiri othe a iharo cia ndege thiini na nja wa bururi matikagie na hahu tondu maundu mothe ni marore.
I want to report that we have normal operations going on in all our network. So for those of us who would want to have a visit, you can have a look at them.
Ruhonge rwa borithi na ruo rugite rwi maitho gutengura cieko o ciothe cia wikinai guku bururi-ini na ningi ni ruritie muingi unyitanire gutigirira thayu ni wagacira. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Maina wa Wairegi.